Hey everybody, welcome back. It's been a while since my last video. I was a little bit busy goofing around, so sorry. So today I bought one pen that I want to show you guys. It's Midori Dippen. For those of you who doesn't know Midori brand, it's a Japanese brand. They make very excellent paper. This is the A5 size notebook. Cost a little bit more than $10 and it's 176 pages, so it's very good buy for this quality. It's a fountain pen friendly, and on my experience the density of the paper is quite good. The ink doesn't like smudge into the paper rapidly, so I highly recommend to people who likes EF nibs because it comes out very thin. And the sizes, they have small, which is A6. This is medium, a little bit longer version of A6, and this is A5. And there's also A4 size, and it comes in ruled, blank, and grid. And also three choices in cover: the plastic and paper and ghost skin. Ghost skin is crazy expensive, something like $80 or something, so I don't think it's a good buy. This one, however, the plastic, I think it was about like $4 or something. So very nice paper, highly recommended. And this dip pen is made for their 15th anniversary. I think there's only one option on nib size, which is M, and the nib looks like this. It looks kind of weird since the nib is heading like downwards, so pretty small nib, I guess. Yeah, so the nib is super small. I don't know if we can replace the nib. Yep, we can. My god, the nib is just so small. And the body, it has a nice feel to it. I mean, it's not made out of rubber, but it does have a rubbery feel and very firm. So the length is about 12 centimeters and the width is about 1 centimeter. It's really hard to dip into the ink bottle since the nib is really small. Wish they made it a little bit bigger. Let's see if we can change the nib. I have Nico G, so let's try this one. So it does go in, but only up to here. So it looks really weird. Yeah, so like I said, it does go in, but only a little bit, so it doesn't feel very stable as I use it. I don't think we can use other nibs, only Midori nibs. I wish they make also a different size nib and a cap. I'll just try a little bit more. So I guess about 36 letters for one dip. And this is size M, the nib size. And it's coming out very, very thick. Almost broad, I think. And the nib is on smooth side. Very, very smooth. Almost like pelican, I think. Very smooth, but it also has some scratching sound. Since we can only write like 36 letter per dip, I am not sure if I can use this on writing, since we have to dip like 2 or 3 times to write one sentence. Maybe suitable for doodling. I guess it's not that recommendable since it costs like $25. But it is super smooth. So for those who like Midori brands, I guess you guys will buy it. For those who is not a Midori fan, I'm not sure if they're gonna like it. I think Kakimori Dippen, this one, is actually way better, even though it costs like $50 just a nib, but way more useful, I think. I don't like the body. It's hexagonal, so it's a pencil shape. Everybody likes the pencil shape, right? And the length is also quite cute. The color, of course, it represents the Midori off-white color. I mean, I hope they will make a better nib in the future, at least a little bit longer. And nib sizes to choose, because this one is just too thick for me. It's very, very smooth. Okay, so this was a quick review on the Midori Dippen. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.